Ngwini Nyaribari, kira Ngwini Nyaribari seitwe sub-county ite kuruku Masaba South. Kuru Masaba South, kira nanyo metujaga igana aberu mugambi, kira nokwenda kumira nachi mekutano n'abagambi bane. Kira introduction yo gukorwa. Abagambi kuru Masaba South, egwate location 28. Whereas biga kuja South tubate location board tigete 10, kwenye 7. Ase location 28 seitwe suwegorwa. One are what our assistant chief 47. Konye 14 mega budango. Akari request. Isokuri nduchari. Nguramba ka bakaikoba. Nikwa no chimata na ngamba bakatse bakaine rotera induru. Ochiri yeto bakaine so umheshimiwa mungane. Lakini nimeumia kutembea. Kwa nene marambe lakini siko tayari kuja kwa sababu tayari application yekima. I use more than 1,000 years old drive worker. Kaidi, tokusumo mheshimiwa Osoro, na lava na tupate si, motokutorele, this is the only sub-location within Kisii County, and this sub-location here, and the same time the location. Nimeumia. Nimkumanya watu more than 20,000, iwawo na nipato wakomu, kumetembelea wate chi primary school, chi public primary school yetu wate 8. Iwawo na kemu kemi wetandi school, ejion school returns, na ando watola chi secondary school chatu dorabe ka private mwari wanda kumba tane mongoje na kimo musuyele kasi nyaare ko ambanga ke tene euro 47 euro within one application, and this is the largest application in the Kisii County. Aki biro moto weekend moto watasi na intu na ye kara bagambibanangi roeno ko chambasi unge moto. Thank you kana sawa senwe si biamano.
Thank you very much.